Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? This is New Year's Eve, ain't it? Yeah. So I want to wish you all a happy New Year. Happy 2020. Wow. Okay, I'll be making some air fryer wings in my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. And I'll be breading it with some Louisiana seasoned chicken fry. And it's the spicy. It's good. It's not really spicy, but it's good. You can taste a little bit of heat. I'll be using my breader shaker bowl, which I love. It comes in 3 parts. The lid, the little cage in here. I call this the cage. And the bowl. And you put the breading in the bottom of the bowl. You put the chicken on top of this cage. Put the top on and hold it and shake. And I'm going to do that right now so y'all can see. Okay. I'm just going to use the rest of this in here. Just shake it in here. That's it. I have all types of breadings. Put it in the bottom. Okay. Got me some new mixing bowls, y'all. I always wanted some stainless steel mixing bowls. I got 6 of them, all different sizes. This is the largest one. I think it holds 7 quarts. Since my red bowl that I always wash and season my chicken in, it had a split in the bottom of it. So I want me the real thing. I want those Dollar Tree plastic bowls. But it served its purpose for years and years and years. So I washed, cut, and marinated this overnight. So these are chicken wings. And my daughter is here, so she said she liked the tips on her wings. So I left some of the tips on. So let's get to it. You see what I'm doing? But that's how I left the tip on that wing, like that. Put them in there. Don't overcrowd the bowl. Because you want that breading to hit each piece. One more. Okay. Oh, and I got this little plastic lid. I got all different sizes. Just shake. Oh, let me preheat my air fryer. I don't always do it, but sometimes I do. Make sure ain't nothing in here. Okay. Chicken looks nicely breaded. I'll be spraying it with my I put olive oil in here. I'm using the Evo oil sprayer. It works very well for me. I've tried several other kind of sprayers. I had to send that mess back. I don't like pumping nothing. This one here you just spray. So Doug from Cooking with Doug, see, he blessed me with this. And I use it a lot. Thank you, Doug. Thanks again. Had it a while now. So I'm gonna let this preheat a couple more minutes, and then I'll put the chicken in here. So I will be back. Okay, I'm ready to put my chicken in here. just preheat it for a couple minutes. What's that fly? I always shake off the excess batter, and I put my the flat pieces up. I'm gonna put some more chicken in here and batter it. How many pieces of chicken you want?
3.
3 whole wings?
Yeah.
Okay. You tell me 3, that means 3 pieces. That's sections.
Oh.
Let me wash this.
You think that knocking up my sister makes you a new person? No. I don't. Get on your knees. Psycho.
Good. Okay, now I'm going to spray the wings. Is that on? Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's how they look. Going in. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna put it on 400. And we'll set it for 22 minutes. And start. Okay. And this is sitting on a rolling countertop tray, so it makes it very convenient and easy just to slide this back and forth and get it away from the wall so all that hot air that's blowing out the back is not blowing right on my paint. So I will be back, y'all. And I don't plan on turning my chicken, flipping the chicken. So I'll leave a link for everything I talked about in this video in my description box. You probably have to click on show more, and then you'll see all the links to the Evo oil sprayer. I recommend this. Some Evo sprayers, they come in a glass bottle and you get a set of 2. If it's Evo, then it works. I'm going to leave a link for my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer and the rolling countertop tray and my breader shaker bowl. So people always ask where they can find it, so I'll leave a link. If I talked about it and you saw it in this video, the link will be down there. Okay, I'll be back. And I got this from Walmart. Okay, the chicken is almost done. Cooked for 22 minutes. It's on the 1 minute now. I'm going to, I'll let y'all see. I didn't flip the chicken at all. I'll stop it because I know it's done. Because that's what I do. Chicken is what I do. I'm just going to put it on here. Let me turn this microwave on. I'm fixing something else. Y'all see me? So I like to turn this side up. You can't see, I'm putting it in the plate. It's brown on both sides, and I didn't flip it. Nice golden brown, crispy chicken. Oh. Let's see. Oh, that's warm. Okay. I'm warming up some gravy in the microwave. My daughter said she wants some mashed potatoes and gravy to go with her chicken. So. Okay, I'm putting the next batch of chicken in here, but Walter ain't even here yet. So, show y'all the cleanup of the basket. There's grease for days down in the bottom of the basket. I'm cutting this off. That's what this platter of chicken looks like. Look at that, y'all. Nice golden brown. I know y'all want me to taste it. It's piping hot. Look at that. This is the bottom. I didn't flip it. I want y'all to hear the crispiness. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. And once again, happy 2020. Okay, bye. Okay, this is what Amber wanted. So I don't know if she's going to put something on the chicken or not. She wanted mashed potatoes and gravy, so there it is. Chicken wings.